Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic GUI using Windows Builder. I'm going to be using buttons, labels, and frames, just the basics, and just the basics. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder or thing. This video is fast forwarded. I pre-recorded it, and now I'm just doing a narration on top. So now we have our thing. Make sure you have Windows Builder to be in it. So we're going to design bit, extend the frame bit. You can change the size by going to bound, or you can do the source complete. I can't make this full screen, but I just like this size 1000 by 700 and 00 in the beginning is just X and Y. So let me just start on the top left of your screen. So we're going to set the layout to absolute here, and just add a quick label. Label is where you can put images and text. So this label in the frame. So we're going to call it, name this label. Just change it so that it fits my frame. You can do this design or the source. So here I don't have an image, so I'm going to make a new folder. And actually I have a program with like a few images, so I'm going to bring that in there. Maze. So yeah, Windows Builder is actually really good optional software. Like you don't have to do all the hard coding behind it. You can just click and drag. It's easy as that. So there's our image. That's a quick play. So that's our title page, Alcatraz. So now we want to do is add a button, so then it opens another frame, right? So what we want to do is let me just name this here. Put a button right there. Call it start. Just make sure it's in front of the label so it shows. And then just double click the label or the button, I mean, and it should give you an action it performed or events. So you don't really need to know that it does. It's just basically when you press on that button, that event happens. So we're gonna go ahead and make a new method. So call it start game. Just make sure you call it in your class to private method. So I'm gonna copy from the old frame. Just rename the frame. Just rename the frame and call upon this. So then I'm calling upon the method start game, but this is a common mistake. What I'm trying to do to make it visible, you have to actually call that frame and set it to visible, and then here this is like a beginner's mistake because and then so the mistake is I'm calling upon the method initialize dot set visible, but initialize is a method. You cannot set a method to visible or non-visible. So what I was supposed to do is call upon frame, so it would be frame dot set visible, but I didn't do that. So here I'm just going through and just figuring out what I did wrong. That's why I sped it up. I know I could have just edited it out, but I just want to point it out. Just make sure when you're setting things to visible or true to false, just make sure you call upon the actual frame name, not the method. So there we go. I got the thing going. New frame. So now we want to make it so it hides the previous frame or the original frame. So we're going to just frame to false, and should show up. Start. There we go. Now what we want to do is we want to add an image. So actually there's a code for design. What you can do is you can just put that code before a method, and when you press design, it'll take you to that frame, and then from that frame you can edit it. So I'll show you here. I'll paste the code right here, and we'll go to design, and boom, there you go, a new frame. So we're gonna go add a label here. Just change the name and the size a little bit. Just go to help. Let's see. Just bring that image there. I guess another image. Save it up. call upon the image held. There we go. Now we have this. So if you run it, we're gonna see the help page or whatever, another frame basically. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I want to add another button, so then it goes back to the main menu. So just put that in front of the thing. Go back. Double click on that. Get another action performed, and here's you do the same thing except opposite. You hide the frame, the start game. You first call upon initialize, hide the start game, like make it false, and then call upon a frame that says it was true. Here make the same mistake, I think. We'll do that. Or fast forwarding is so fast, I can't even see what's going on. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, guys, that's the tutorial. I'm gonna include that code for the design in the description below, and yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. And if you want me to make more, just comment down below, leave a like, and peace.